Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most practical interior upgrades you can add to your Tesla. This is the SATONIC V2Pro Screen Swivel Mount, designed specifically for the Tesla Model 3, Model 3 Highland, the 2026 Model 3, and the Model Y Juniper. If you've ever wished your Tesla screen could move to a more comfortable angle, this upgrade delivers exactly that. The biggest highlight of the SATONIC V2Pro is its true 4-direction rotation. The screen can swivel left and right, as well as tilt up and down, giving both the driver and the front passenger the perfect viewing angle. Whether you're navigating, adjusting vehicle settings, or watching media while parked, the interaction feels more natural and comfortable. One of the most important design improvements with the V2Pro is that it almost keeps the original factory screen height. Many swivel mounts lower the screen noticeably, which can ruin the clean Tesla interior design. SATONIC engineered the V2Pro to preserve that original position, so the upgrade looks factory-installed rather than aftermarket. The mount is fully compatible with both 15-inch and 16.5-inch Tesla displays, making it ideal for the latest Tesla generations. Build quality is excellent, with a solid and stable construction that keeps the screen firmly in place, even on rough roads. The swivel motion itself is smooth and precise, allowing easy adjustment without looseness or wobble. Installation is straightforward and plug-and-play. No drilling, no cutting, and no permanent modifications to your vehicle. The mount integrates seamlessly behind the screen, maintaining a clean, OEM-style appearance. Once installed, it feels like a feature Tesla should have included from the factory. For daily driving, the benefits are immediate. Navigation visibility improves, glare is reduced, and sharing the screen with passengers becomes far more convenient. It's especially useful for taller or shorter drivers who struggle with the fixed screen angle. If you're looking for a subtle yet highly functional upgrade that enhances comfort, usability, and aesthetics, the SATONIC V2Pro Screen Swivel Mount is one of the best Tesla accessories you can install in 2026.